All right. For my final project, I decided to create a desktop application, something that you can use for your for every day, something that's actually good and for the common folk, something that you can use as just I mean everyone has music or it's going to be a database that utilizes a UI which um, you can enter your favorite artist, music, genre, the year by the in the search command. You can view, search, add, delete, update. Um, let's give a demo of how this would work. There's I entered a list here. I've already entered some of my favorites in a database here. All right, so and you can add like I've entered. You can add this, and then when you view all, it would be updated. Also, I already updated. Um, we can add another one, or we can actually edit. I don't know. I don't know. Hmm. Let's update the title. Update and view all, and see the title has been updated. And if I wanted to, there's always a search function actually works, which is good. All right. So if I was just looking for one artist, I say I'm looking for Logic, and I would search, and Logic would come up. And then if I wanted to delete Logic, I can delete. Then when I view all, it should be deleted from the list, and it is deleted from the list. I could delete this one, delete, view all, delete it, and then I can always, I think I've already, I've, yeah, this is pretty much it. View all, search, add, delete. You can update, which I've probably already done. It's EDM. You can update the genre, and then when you view all, it'll refresh the list, and you see it's all updated. And you can close the window. Let's close the window, and so this comes in two files. This application comes in two files. One is I use the SQLite 3 database for the database where you would there's a function where you can connect to the database and then insert, view, search, delete, all from this. I call the database some temporary database called music to just keep it simple. So this is where it connects to the database. This is the user interface, which the UI, which uses tkinter, which is a really fun import that I didn't know existed for Python, and that's always good. It's always good to be able to have a UI attached to any application because the first thing a user sees is a UI. So it's always good to have a nice clean UI. And over here is where you can change the title, the labels on the UI. You can call it anything you want. I chose title, artist, year, genre, and then this is where you can configure how the UI is going to look and where you have row one, column one. So yeah, row one, column one would be E1, and E1 is title, two is artist, and this configures where title, artist, year, the labels go pretty much, and this is the size of the box, the size of the list box, and how big it's going to be. The scroll bar, I can always move the scroll bar around, and this is the size of the windows for the title and your year, genre. This is the, no, yeah, okay, this is the size of the buttons. So this is where the UI gets configured, and then it calls the backend. The backend is this file. It's always make a callback to the backend and to have it's always yeah to connect to the backend. So this application has two files. What else is there? Besides that, the only issue I had was using tkinter because there's different versions for Python 3 and Python 2, and I obviously had no idea how to use tkinter, but a little bit of research helps. So yeah, that was my only issue is the versions of tkinter. to be used with this application. Yeah, so this is it. Thank you.